Hey guys, welcome back. We got another portion of this particular Lattafa Pride sample pack. Each one's got 20 mils in each little bottle, and today we are doing Breeze from Lattafa. Now this is marketed for both men and women. However, I believe it's meant to be more of a women's fragrance based on my interpretation or understanding of the fragrance. So real quick, these are all 20 ml bottles. Each, in my opinion, each spray is about a half of a normal bottle spray. So if you're using this, understand if you normally do 6 sprays, you gotta do 12. So it depends on what your normal perfume or cologne fragrance habit is. Without further ado, let's jump into those notes just to get those out there and on the screen. We got bergamot, cardamom, and incense in the opening. Then we got middle notes of, I can never pronounce this, cyclamen, and then we got jasmine, so a floral mid, and then base notes of musk, cedar, and sandalwood. So this appears to be kind of a basic kind of fragrance. Now, the way we do it on this channel is we spray on paper, then we spray on skin. I will give you my interpretation of both. The reason why we spray on paper is because that's a close analog for people who want to spray on their clothing for longevity purposes or just practical purposes in case this is more of a wintertime fragrance, because as a result of the winter and wearing long sleeves, you're going to spray on your clothing more than anything else. That's more of a practical application, or at least analog for what you do in real life. And spraying on skin, obviously pulse points. Typically, your sweeter, citrusy, fruity fragrances come out, or notes come out stronger and push harder on skin because your body temperature is 98.6 degrees, whereas this little paper right here is about 70. So all those fragrance oils evaporate more quickly on skin. So you have more push, more projection, more sillage, more wake when you spray on skin. So that's why we do both. All right, so let's go ahead and spray. These atomizers are really basic. They're nothing special to them. If you've ever seen these videos I do about 2 sprays normally. I got to do like 4 to 6 to get this going. Okay, I can definitely smell it. It smells nice. This okay, it's a sweet, I'm gonna say like for lack of a better term, dusty kind of bergamot opening. I'm not really getting incense necessarily, so I'm not getting anything truly smoky in my opinion. Let me adjust the lighting just a little bit. Make it a little brighter. But yeah, it's nice. This smells a lot like fabric softener. And I don't mean that in a bad way. It's not like, oh, it smells like soap and it's just soapy. It's not soapy. This smells a lot like a standard, like, I'm gonna say like snuggle, downy, like not generic, but like the standard fabric softener smell is what I'm getting from this. It's floral. It's definitely feminine. There's like, as a guy, I don't know if I'd wear this, and I'll wear a lot of really fruity stuff on it during the summertime. So this really strikes me more as like a more female-centric perfume than it does anything masculine. Now, with that being said, because it smells like fabric softener, it smells especially clean. I can't really I can't differentiate on the notes between the cardamom, the bergamot, and some of those floral notes. I'm definitely not smelling anything woody yet. So the opening is not terribly woody, so it probably is not a linear fragrance. It's probably gonna be a little more complex. But again, I'm not really getting any incense. It smells nice. Now, is it something to write home about? Is it like someone's gonna be like their life's gonna be changed by this? No. It's just good. It's just pleasant. Like it's mass appealing, but in the way that like fabric softener smells good to people. So if you want to smell like fabric softener, which is basically just smelling like really clean laundry, this might be your vibe. All right, let's do skin real fast. I've talked enough. All right, let's see if we get a different kind of thing going on there. Yeah, I'm gonna spray more on myself because I'm gonna want my wife's opinion on this fragrance. Okay, maybe I get a little more incense on skin, but nothing to where I'm like, oh man, now it's smoky and masculine, and it's still very much in like the vibe of fabric softeners. It's very soft, clean, floral, citrus. Like that's what I'm getting. I can't differentiate like the sweet florals from what will probably end up being a very sweet white musk at the end of it, but I'm getting no cedar. I can maybe get a little bit of incensey notes in there, and that could be any number of things that are just pushing a little harder inside on the skin because it's, again, warmer. But yeah, that's all I'm going to do for right now. Next step is I blip out of existence and I come back, and after having worn this for a few days, my wife might try it out. I think I might spray it on some clothing in another room one day to kind of get an idea of what like the longevity is. And I'll come back and talk about the note breakdown over time, projection, and longevity. But yeah, so far, the vibe of this is very clean, standard fabric softener, fresh, clean smell. Like if you sprayed this on your bedspread, you would think like you had just done the laundry. It's that kind of vibe to it. Again, not bad, just different and different, kind of interesting. So I'll be right back and I'll talk about all those fancy things. It'll be several days for me. For you, it'll be like a split second. All right, guys, welcome back. Let me get that noisy stuff out of the way. We are back talking about Lattafa Breeze from this little 5-pack of, not really samples, they're more like testers or travel size. I'm not sure how you want to categorize these things, but there's Lattafa Breeze. I've worn it several times. I'm going to go ahead and say this leans very feminine to my nose. So even though I believe it is advertised as unisex, and I've seen a lot of people online who are guys basically say that this is a very nice fresh fragrance for men. I don't really see this as a masculine enough fragrance. I'm not saying men can't pull it off, not saying I don't wear stuff that's similar in DNA, but this one just for some reason hits my nose a little more perfumey and a little less men's cologne-y, if you want to categorize things out. So that being said, let's talk about the notes over time. What you end up with, again, super clean smell. I mean, the clean is clean. It smells like fabric softener. It's that kind of clean vibe. It's got a little bit of like, the bergamot is intense. The incense is the only note that I really don't pick up that much of overall. The rest is all there. The florals come in strong. That's what, in my opinion, leans to be more of a women's perfume than a men's fragrance. But the florals are very strong, and it's very sweet smelling florals, which again makes sense when I describe kind of like that fabric softener clean smell. That being said, this is a quintessentially clean smell. So if you want to smell clean and fresh, this is an easy way to do it. I just think it leans a little on the feminine side. Now, when the dry down takes place, at that point it's not really projecting or anything, but it's still important to know about. It's a powdery musk. Again, sweeter more than anything else, a sweet, powdery sweet musk with some wood notes. The cedar is not sour. It's really more sandalwood musk dominant in the base. Overall, very well done, well blended. There's not one part of this fragrance that is unpleasant. It's good from top to bottom, from start to finish. Now, as far as projection goes, it'll project. For about the first hour, you get really good projection, then it tamps down over the next 3. By the end of hour 4, in my opinion, you're not really leaving any kind of wake behind you. It's you, like if you walk up to somebody and shake their hand, they might smell you. But if you walk by somebody, they might not notice it after that 4th hour. You'll get 6 to 7 hours on the skin with this. And again, I'm testing this in the heart of the summertime where I live, so it's very hot. So wintertime, this will probably perform better, but it's not wintertime and I'm not gonna delay my review that long. But other than that, I don't have much else to say about it. It's just nice. It's very, again, if your goal is to smell clean and fresh, and also, I think that puts us in this category of being office safe and professional, Lattafa Breeze does it very well. And it's also, I don't have anything else that smells quite like it. It is just that extremely high level of clean. That's what it pushes out there. It's not like a juicy, sweet fragrance. It's a drier, sweet, floral, citrus, woody combo that kind of has a dryness to it that makes it smell kind of crisp. It's like a crisp, clean, floral, fruity wood combo. It's very nice. But if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them for you, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.